Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, students, you know very well that we are near to the exams, and I had explained you all the things related to the exams. I had given you one post over here in the Google Classroom describing all the things, and these are the pages that you have already in your, in your WhatsApp groups as well. Okay, what is the date sheet? What is the timing of the paper? How you are going to have your paper, what will be the marks, okay, what is the syllabus, and we had seen that there are 7 chapters in our syllabus that we are going to have. Acha ji. So one important thing is there that sometimes students they just send WhatsApp messages. I am unable to understand who are these students who are unaware about their Google class codes. Still they don't know the Google class codes. So, if someone is there who is attending the classes and then he does not know the Google class code, so it is not a good thing. It means that you are not opening the Google class codes. Using Google class code, you can open your Google Classroom and you can see the material that the teacher is giving you. So, this should not happen. All the students should know. Okay, all the students should know their codes, and the students will join the relevant class. If you are in P1A, you will join the P1A class. If you are in P1B, then of course you are going to join the P1B class. Similarly, if you are in P1C, so you are going to join P1C class. Otherwise, you will be removed from the class. Okay. So last time I had given you one assignment in order to give you the practice how you are going to appear in your exam for the subjective question paper, that you will write your answers on the paper, and you will submit your answers pictures, okay, through the Google Classroom. These all are the things that we have already discussed. Now the important thing is that the chapters that we have already gone through, all the chapters are included as I have shared with you. Okay, the 7 chapters are there from which you are going to have your syllabus. And I had informed you about it. If your questions which are there at the end of the chapters, the question and answer, the exercises, this is not going to be. These are not going to be in your exam as it is, but different questions from the text of the book. Okay. Acha ji, last chapter. I am going to take the questions. Just keep patience. Keep patience. Those who are raising the hands. Last chapter that we did, it was internet as a post office. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload it today with this lessons video. I'm going to upload this thing, which is basically the question and answer for this chapter. Let me show you on your screen. These are the question and answers that I'm going to give you. Okay, this was the chapter that we studied in the last week. Now in this week we have to do some revisions. If you have got any questions from the previous chapters, you can ask me. Okay, I will give you a precise revision for the chapters that we have got, and of course you need to prepare all the chapters. Acha ji, so you will go through and you will see that the objective question MCQs are there in this chapter. This is the thing that you are going to write in your copies. Okay, you have to write these question and answers in your notebooks. This is the basically classwork and the homework that we are discussing right now. I am going to upload it today. I had not uploaded in the last week because we were completing this chapter and it was not complete, but now it is complete. So if you see the descriptive questions over here, you can see that give full form of the following. Number one is .mil. .mil कौन सी extensions होती हैं? The websites which are used for military organization. The websites which are used for military organization, they contain .mil extension. The organizations which are related to the networking sites, so they have got .net extension. .jp is for Japan, Japan code, just like we have got .pk for Pakistan, .om for Oman. Okay. So .mil, .net, .jp. Up now, it does not mean that these will be only asked. In your book, you will see .org is given. So I can ask in the paper what is meant by .org. You are going to say for organization. .pk for Pakistan. .om for Oman. Similarly, if I say kg, let's suppose .com for commercial websites. Okay. Now come towards the question number B for this chapter. Explain number addressing system by giving an example. Actually, what happens, K, every node in the network, because when we are connected to the internet, we are also on a network, no? Network of the networks, which is called global area network, the internet. So we are provided one IP address. We are provided one IP address that is called internet protocol. And using that IP address, basically we are identified. That IP address contains four components in it. Four parts होते हैं उसके. Four parts are there for the IP address. And that four parts make it a complete IP address. अच्छा जी, this IP address we cannot remember the IP address ना. तो हम क्या करते हैं, उसकी जगह क्या करते हैं, एक URL दे देते हैं. URL उसका बना दिया जाता है. One URL is made. So URL is easy to remember. All the students will keep their cameras closed. URL will be easier to remember. 192.12.148.77, it is difficult to remember. No? But if we say, for example, www.yahoo.com, it is easy to remember. So we are provided a domain name instead of the IP address. We are provided a domain name instead of the IP address. And the particular web address is called URL. Okay, the Uniform Resource Locator. Now come to the question is that question number C. What are the uses of the sent and draft folders? Sent or draft folder का क्या use है? What is the use of the sent folder and the draft folder? Sent folder is used, for when we send an email. You can see this in your sent items. Okay, sent folder is there. But when we have written one email, but we have not sent, we have just written and then we close it. So it will be automatically saved in the draft folder. So the draft folder is the folder that is basically that contains the drafts, matlab the emails that you have written, but you have not sent, you have just composed them. And at some other time, it is possible that you are going to send them. So those are called draft emails. Similarly, up now I can ask in the paper to define about inbox, trash, spam. Okay. So these all are the folders that I explained you by opening my Gmail account. By opening my Gmail account, I had explained this thing to you. Okay, can you see over here now? What is the next question? How can you create a signature for your email? I explained you the process. But steps questions will not be there. Okay, I have just mentioned over here that the signatures are created through the settings. I had explained you this thing, but since these are steps, so we are not going to take such kind of question. Okay, write down the steps to compose email. No, such kind of steps questions, practical in nature questions will not be there in your paper. Next question is that analyze how the internet has changed the way we communicate on global scale. The internet has allowed people to maintain relationships that are both local and long distance. Nowadays, with the increase in the smartphones and social media, we can now stay in touch with the people. This is how the internet has changed our lives. We used to send the letters in the early ages. Still letters are used, but does not mean that only letters are the option. Letters are still used if you need to send the certificates or documents from one place to another. In physical existence we want to send them, so definitely we are going to take some letter service, just like TCS or DHL or any other letter service. that is basically providing you the service to ship the parcel on the designated location. But internet has changed our life. We have got social media, we have got cell phone with different applications installed in it, just like the social media applications, just like chatting softwares, online messengers. We are in touch with the friends and family. The communication is not a big deal, not a difficult or costly thing. It is a key, it is easy thing. It is cheap thing. Matlab you don't need to be rich for that. Every common person has got this facility now. So this is a great change that we have got in our environment. Now the next question is that modern research has become totally dependent on the internet. Do you agree or disagree? Give reasons. Definitely, we are agree. All of will we agree. When teacher gives you some assignment, some new topic to search out, what do? You go to the internet and you find out some data about it. Then you arrange that data according to your requirement. It happens, na? Similarly, if we have got, anything that is basically a topic that we don't know about it, so we are going to make research on it. We can collect data. For example, if I say, okay, do research for different countries who and about the export of cotton. Okay, so what you are going to do? You are going to their websites. Okay, their websites where they are giving you the figures. For example, the export website or the website or the website of the country, which is basically official website, which is providing you the facts and figures. For example, you go to Australian website, to Pakistani website, to Indian websites, and you will collect the official data from there and you will arrange that data, and then you will be able to do this research and you will be able to write an essay about it. Okay, who is the largest producer of the cotton in the world? So this is how you have got the internet. You can do work, academic projects, papers. Similarly, journalists and other professionals can also do research on different kind of material by collecting data using internet. अच्छा, what you can do, you can conduct surveys as well. जैसे होता है ना, आप सोशल मीडिया यूज कर रहे होते हो, sometime you are using social media, you get an online form. Just giving you example कि you get an online form, let's suppose, and one question is there, for example, okay, which of the following is the social media you like most? For example, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So you click on the Facebook and submit. So such kind of research is there where we are collecting data from the people. Okay, so this is also one thing that we need to understand. Acha, your homework is there, BCC and URL. You have to define BCC. Now I have told you, okay, I had already explained you this thing, what is meant by BCC. BCC stand for blind carbon copy. When you send one email to a person, it is sent to that particular person. But when you take a BCC for it, BCC will send the copies of that email to different people, and they will be unaware about the other recipient. Each of one will be unaware about the other recipient. Okay, who are the other recipients who have got the same email? But in CC, they are aware of this thing. URL, uniform resource locator. For example, you are saying psm.edu.pk. So it is a uniform resource locator. The website address. Acha ji, all the students just lower the hand. Just lower the hand for the moment. Let me mark the attendance. Acha ji, from RS Khan to Amal P1A to Ibrahim and Suleiman Up to Saad Fayaz. Then Shahir. Okay, ji. We have taken the attendance. I would like to talk Ibrahim and Suleiman. Ibrahim and Suleiman. Will you raise the hand, Ibrahim and Suleiman? Okay, let me unmute you. Yes, Ibrahim and Suleiman, both of you are attending the class from a long time. I can see that you are attending the class using one ID. So, haven't you joined with your separate email IDs?
Yes, sir, we have joined with separate email IDs.
Okay, it is a very important precaution because in your exam you are not going to appear in this way, Ibrahim and Suleiman. Definitely, you are,
Yeah, sir, we will use separate mobiles.
yeah, separate devices should be there that you should use. And this is the thing that I wanted to ask you. Anyway, now you can ask any questions that you have got. Please raise the hand if you've got anything that you want to ask. Yes, Salaf Ibrahim. Yes, what is your question?
Sir, sir, you meant that the questions with steps are not going to come and the other long questions are going to come, or only the steps are not going to come?
Steps will not be there. I have already explained this thing. Steps will not be there. But other questions in the exercises which are there, it is possible that we can give some question from there. But it is also possible that we will give the questions from the material of the textbook that you have got. The chapters written material is there for each chapter. So we can also give the questions from there, just like I explained you. I gave you one example over here. Okay, for example, this is the question: what are the uses of sent and draft folder? But I can ask you, okay, what is the use of inbox and trash folder? Okay. So you are going to say कि inbox is
Okay.
the folder where we receive the emails sent by different people, and trash is the folder when we delete the emails from sent items or from the inbox. These are basically moved to the trash. Trash behaves like a recycle bin. So you are going to write those answers. Man, definitely the whatever will be asked in your paper, it will be from the book, from the text of the chapters. Clear now?
Okay, okay, sir, can you make for us quiz to make it in computer?
Your voice is not clear. Your voice is not clear. Say loudly.
Can you make for us quiz and send it in Google Classroom so that we would be trained for the exam?
Okay. Just like you have done the rehearsal for the paper 2, na, subjective. This is your question. Okay, you can attempt the paper 1 objective so that you may have a clear concept about it.
Yes.
Yeah, that I have already planned, Solov Ibrahim. I have already planned this thing. I am going to give you one assignment, but that is not a assignment. Its marks will not be included. It is just a practice, practice.
Yeah.
Not assignment, but practice. So I am going to give you a short MCQs of maybe 5 or 10 marks, and then I will ask you, okay, but you have to write your full name, your class and section, then attempt the question, and inshallah I will try to give it by tomorrow. Okay, I will try to give it inshallah
Okay, sir,
tomorrow.
thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Hiba Imran, what is your question?
Sir, should we have to learn these questions which you have shown us, or we have to learn from book?
No, what did I say? I said I did not say that these questions cannot come. These are also from the book, na? These are also from the chapter,
Yes,
na? So
yes.
That's why I said कि may be possible कि this question will be there. I'm just giving you example. May be possible
Okay.
कि this question is there कि what are the uses of the send and draft folder. May be possible I will ask कि what is the use of inbox and trash. I'm giving you example. So inbox and trash question is not there in this exercise. So I'm not saying कि these question cannot come. I'm not saying. मतलब the questions will be from these questions or from the text of the book. Of course, it will be from the given syllabus. This is clear now, Hiba?
Yes, sir. So the answers in the copy of steps we have to leave it.
Sorry.
Sir, the question and answers in the copy of of steps we have to leave it.
Steps question मैंने नहीं करवाए. कौन से मैंने करवाए steps question? Have I given you in some? I think in the beginning in Excel I had given, but steps question I have not uh, given you in the classwork and the homework because these are practical in nature. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Huriya Mujtaba.
मेरा हाथ
Yes. Okay, Ji. Is there anyone who has got any question?
Sir,
Ji, please.
sir, will the question you have given in the copy, the points, will it come in the exam?
Sorry, points means?
The like steps, the question with three, like 1 point, then the second point, then the third point, and like
What I am saying,
after.
कि prepare all the questions from the exercise and the chapters, what is there, whatever is there. Steps questions ये होते हैं कि, for example, if I ask you कि write down the procedure of applying conditional formatting, ठीक है, ये steps question. So this kind of question will not come. The question will come, for example, if I say describe the purpose of conditional formatting. Why conditional formatting is used? Conditional formatting क्यों use करते हैं? So you are going to say conditional formatting is used to highlight some specific data in Microsoft Excel. For example, I can give one example के if the students marks are there, so I can highlight whose marks are more than 80, so those marks should be highlighted, or those students name should be highlighted. So I am explaining you, na? I am giving you the example. I am explaining you that conditional formatting means when you are going to highlight some specific data in Microsoft Excel, some specific data in the sheet on the basis of some criteria. This is called conditional formatting. But the question will not be in this way के right steps. How will you apply conditional formatting? अब इसके लिए तो Excel open होना जरूरी है ना? For this thing you must have Excel in front of you, na? So
So
that's why.
example like the chapter graphics in publisher, the question number 1.
क्या है question number 1? What is the question number 1?
So the question number 1 is, what are different sources from which you can insert pictures in your publication?
Yeah,
The answer is,
yeah, this
will
is,
it come?
हाँ, yeah, of course, this is not a steps based question. अब मैं बोलूँ आपसे किन किन तरीकों से पिक्चर इंसर्ट करते हैं. हम करते हैं पिक्चर, we insert the picture using picture option, using online picture option. यही है ना? और क्या दिया हुआ है इसमें? Using frame.
Sir, the answer is pictures stored on your computer. Second point, office.com clip art, a series of royalty-free predefined graphics. Third one, bring image search on the internet.
Yeah. So this is not basically steps question. It is basically general question. Okay.
So, sir, how will you swap pictures between a publication page and Scratch area? So, it's with steps. So, we should
Yeah,
learn it.
this is a kind of, yeah, this is a step based because you need to open publisher and then you will apply. So that those are basically steps. So the steps
So, we
questions
should
are
not.
not assessed in the theoretical paper.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Nabiha Asad.
Sir, I want to ask that yesterday the project which you were showing, I don't know if it was about brochure, but the project you were showing yesterday, can you show it again today?
Which project?
Sir, yesterday you were showing of any assignment, new assignment you were showing.
Yeah, assignment was there. It was the third assignment. So why don't you go to your Google Classroom and open and see that what is the task that the teacher has given to us?
Sir, I can't find it.
It is there in your Google Classroom. Everyone can see. You are in which class? You are in P1A. So you can see that this was posted on 9 September. Last week on Wednesday, I had given you assignment 3. Before that, assignment 2 was there on 2nd September. Before that, we had assignment 1. You know, assignment 1 was there, which was basically on 26th of August. So these are the basically 3 assignments that we have already given you. Okay.
Okay.
You can go to Google Classroom and you can see over there. Acha ji, I have checked the project for all the classes and I have checked the assignment 1 and assignment 2. Yeah, assignment 2 as well. Assignment 1 and assignment 2 for all the classes. So you will be able to see the marks in your Google Classroom. I have returned the marks. You will be able to see the marks. I would like to tell you that in project I have given some students are there to whom I have not given the full marks because they did not prepare the project in Publisher. My question was about Publisher and you are sending an image by downloading from the internet. I am not asking for any image of the publication or any type of brochure. I wanted to assess you regarding your skill about the your skill about the publisher. So basically you were supposed to submit your publisher file and I had explained you this thing a number of times. Okay. Yes, Abdul Hamid, quickly ask the question.
Sir, when you will post assignment for?
On coming Wednesday, inshallah. Rimsha Zia.
Sir, you haven't given me the marks of my project, and yes,
Your project marks.
yes, I have seen, but it was written no marks are there. From 15 doesn't get
Had
any
you
marks.
submitted
Yes, miss. Yes, sir.
with the same name?
Rimsha Zia. Yes.
Yeah, I had mentioned in the comment, Rimsha. You can see if you log in your Google Classroom, you can see what I have mentioned. Can you see on the screen what I
Yes,
have
sir.
mentioned? What is written?
No attachment found from publisher brochure. But sir, I have sent it. I know very well that I have sent it.
If you had sent it, it would be visible over here. यहाँ नजर आ रहा होता अगर वो आपने भेजा हो.
So can I send you again?
No, you cannot. I had written this thing to you. Since it is a project, so if you have made it in the brochure,
No, on a publisher, but it's a brochure.
yeah, that is the thing that I'm asking. On publisher, you have made it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, send it in the Google Classroom. Send it again. Right
Okay,
now, just
sir.
send it again. Right now, let me check.
Yes, sir.
Why it is not visible? It should be visible. Okay. Okay. अच्छा जी. So now,
Yes, sir, nothing, just uploading now.
Sahibzada, Yaya, yes, what is your question, Yaya? Yes, quickly, yeah, we have a very short time.
Sir,
What is the question?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum
Sir,
salam, what is the question?
sir, can I send the assignment number 1 and assignment number 2 now?
No, you cannot, Yaya. The assignments were given after your admission, keep in mind. And I had explained this thing. It does not mean that you got admission after assignments. No, you got admission when no assignments were there and assignments were started afterwards. So you are not allowed for this thing. Okay? Ibrahim, what is your question?
Yes, sir. I wanted to ask that my internet wasn't working, so I joined late. What were you telling about before?
You should join your class on time, Ibrahim.
No, my internet wasn't working.
Yeah, fine. You should see the video. I will upload the video. Okay. Afan Javed.
Sir, I sent you my assignment in. Sir, I sent my assignment when I was done in my when I was doing my assignment on the publisher. I sent it to the phone. Then it wasn't containing any publisher, so I made it in PDF form and sent it to you.
But no. But the question was that you had to submit the publisher. So publisher, if publisher is not installed in the cell phone, doesn't matter. But you can send the attachment. So I had asked you to submit the publisher file. Okay. So that's why those who have sent me the images or PDF, so they don't.
Sir, should I do it again?
No. Yasir Badal.
Sir, since the last day of assignment year, I have done that day in 5 p.m. and I forgot to turn in the work of assignment year, and I did it yesterday. You can give me marks.
Have you submitted? I have given the marks. Those who have given the assignment, I have given the marks to all the students. Okay. Those who have submitted, I have checked and I have given the marks. Ayat Zubair.
Hello, sir.
Quickly.
Sir, I want to ask that for threefold brochure, we had to make it on a paper, or we have to make 3 different paper brochures?
Threefold brochure is basically the brochure that contains 3 portions in it. I had explained this thing even in the class. I had explained this thing. Okay, when we take the brochure, so it contains basically 3 folds itself. So threefold brochure is basically the brochure having 2 sides, 3 portions on each side.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now please listen, all of you, since our class time is now about to over. So what you can do, okay, you will see your Google Classroom. Go to your Google Classroom. I have given you the marks for what? For your project. Number 1, I have checked and returned. Number 2, assignment 1, I have checked and returned. Number 3, assignment 2, I have checked and returned. Still, I have not checked the assignment 3. So when I will check the assignment 3 as well, so I will be able to return it. Okay. So this is the procedure when you will be awarded. So all these marks will be included. Those who have not submitted their assignments, of course, They are not going to have the marks because when the assignment date is over, so the system does not accept the assignment. You cannot upload your work over there. This is also a thing. Okay, so that is an important thing that you need to know. Now, apart from this, if you have got any question about the exams, you can ask because our class time is now about to over. Yes, Ibrahim.
Sir, what is the due date of assignment number 1?
Assignment number 1 was having the due date 30th of August. Yeah.
Oh, sir, the new project.
Not new project, only one project was there that I gave. Only one project was there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 4 assignments are there, 5 marks each. And one project was there for 15 marks. So this becomes 35. And 5 marks are there for your attendance. Okay. For your attendance, 5 marks are there. So it will make the total of 40. And remaining 60 marks are there for your paper. Okay. So now our class time is over. Thank you so much, all of you. Thanks a lot.